Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will share with you how you can use ChatGPT 5 totally free of cost and unlimited access. So how you can get GPT-5 unlimited totally free and you don't have to need any payment method. So follow the step by step tutorial. So firstly you have to go to WhatsApp business. So open your WhatsApp and then you have to create a new contact. So go to new contact and here you have to click on new contact, and then here you have to go to United States. So you can type on this and click on United States, and then here you have to copy the number and paste it in here. So as you can see this, we have already got ChatGPT logo. So you have to save this number GPT-5 AI. So after saving this, I have to search GPT AI. So you can see this, I have got this. So here I will chat with GPT-5. So if I write hello, so you can see this, they have reply me, hey again what's up. So if I write how's going everything, so let's see what he reply me. So you can see this, he have really everything running smoothly on my end. So you could you create a photo for me? Absolutely, you can see this, they have ChatGPT 5 can also create a photo for me. So the prompt will be a girl is walking into the dark forest. So let's see what he create. ছবি করার কাজ করছি, তবে একটু সময় লাগতে পারে এটি প্রস্তুত হওয়ার সাথে সাথে আমি এটি পাঠাবো। So as you can see this, GPT-5 replied me in Bangla. So he is telling me this, he is creating a photo for me and it take a little bit time. So no issues. So as you can see this, great, it's on the way. GPT-5 is saying me that it's on the way, I will send it to you as soon as it's ready. So he is creating the image, and when the image will be ready he will notify me. So let's see what the GPT-5 has created for me. So you can see this, GPT-5 is created an image based on my prompt. So a girl is walking into the dark forest. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our others community.